Hello YouTube, hope everybody is doing a little bit better than me. I sold the Hyundai at a $30 loss. It had too much rust and it had suspension problems, so it wasn't worth fixing. But I ended up buying this over here. This is a 2003 Ford Taurus with 163,000 miles. It was totaled out from insurance because of this over here and this over here, and it has a few issues with it. It had a air conditioner that didn't work, and I checked it and it was just the plug, and it's got terrible brakes and the shocks are not any better. So I may end up parting out this car even though it's still fixable. And it has really good tires on this. These are almost brand new actually. But let me show you on the interior here. It's an SES, so it's a mid-range model. Interior is acceptable. And it's starting to rust. And by the way, sorry that my video quality is not very good. I have a problem with my computer, so I'm just recording and editing off of my phone right now. And here is the wiring that I used to test the AC clutch. It's mounted right down there, and it works. It comes on, but it didn't come on through the harness over here. This harness is bad, so if I want to fix this or part it out, I would have to change that out. Now I could put this car back together. In fact, that's what I was thinking, but there is another idea that I have with this car, so be sure to watch on my channel and I will have a video posted about that soon. So after this car, I am done with crappy, cheap, old cars. The problem is when you buy a car with higher mileage like this, you also have higher mileage problems. So at 163,000 miles on this, it's got terrible brakes, terrible shocks, and the air conditioner didn't work, which turned out to be just a plug. And when you got issues like that, and maybe you might have a few other issues with a junk car like this, or like the Sonata where it was total crap, so it will end up costing about as much as a rusty old car is worth after it's done. So again, thank you for watching. Sorry that this video is not very good quality. I do have a plan that with this car that I want, so be sure to watch my next video for that. That will be in a few days. And subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. Thank you.